My name is Joe.
And my name's Malena.
And we're of JMJL Investment Group. And we've been a part of the Fixed Notes Mastermind. It's been such a great experience, hasn't it, Malena?
It really has. For me, the Mastermind program has really helped me with networking. It's been really difficult this year, I guess, a whole year has gone by, where we haven't been able to really attend live conferences face-to-face to meet each other. So this Mastermind has really helped us network more.
Definitely. And what I really like about the Mastermind is the content. It's been such great content each month, from content from other investors, from fund managers, great investors that are in the industry. Everything we learned so far, from CFDs to statute of limitations to virtual assistants, and also
one of my favorite is how to pricing bids. How are people pricing bids right now? And the fascinating part is we get to hear from each other. So your fellow investors are there each month talking about what their experience is. So for us, the Mastermind has been invaluable.
we highly recommend it.
Yes.